First of all, many congratulations on this win.
So much.
What does this award mean to you as an artist?
I feel this has been a long journey, not very long, 15-year-long journey. When I graduated from college, the art scene was very different. It was a period where art, videos, and art installation and things were sort of in vogue. It has taken a lot of faith in myself and my work to stick to what I do. I've been a painter from the beginning. I've not followed trends that have come and gone over a period of time. So this recognition, of course, is very encouraging. I'm glad, and it's been an absolute honor. I feel I feel a lot of gratitude towards my gallery, who's believed in me for almost a decade and stuck by me. So yeah, it's very encouraging, and I'm grateful to be on this journey.
You mentioned that you've been an artist for the last 15 years.
Yes, I graduated in 2009. I graduated in 2009 from the Faculty of Fine Arts, Baroda. Post that, I moved to Delhi. Since then, yeah, it's been 15 years that I've been in this profession.
What would you say, how would you say the last 15 years, uh, the landscape has changed, has evolved for artists like you?
The landscape has changed a lot. Like I said, when I graduated, it was 2008, 2009. It was a time of recession, and most of the art that you saw around were large, with mostly conceptual art, with, video art, and installation and art. There was not much encouragement for painting at that point. Where painting was almost considered dead. So, but past couple of years, things have changed. I've seen a comeback in. I see a lot of painters around. See a lot of sculptors around. I see that skill no longer is a bad word. I think this award also is a proof of that. So yeah, that has definitely changed.
Okay. One piece of advice that you wish you had received when you started out.
To just be persistent and have faith and not get swayed by what the trends are, because trends keep changing. You, in order to continue what you want, you need to believe in yourself and just do what you're for. Basically, I would like to say, just follow your temperament instead of the trend.
Thank you so much for being here. Loved chatting with you. Thanks.